Welcome to the video on making doors. This video will show how to, in cabinet making design, you can create, locate, and add materials for a door in your project. A door is a container that holds and manages the boards in the door. The advantage of containers is they treat all their contents as one object. You can locate or move, resize, save, or delete all its parts in one step. The door of a cabinet must be inserted into an assembly. Open your project. Begin by opening your existing cabinet project in Sketchlist 3D. If you're starting from scratch, create a new project and design the basic structure of your cabinet. In Sketchlist, begin by opening an existing project or creating a new project. In this project, we will use the existing floor assembly. We will put our door between the top and the middle rails and against the left stile. The width of the door will be half the distance between the left and right stiles. Click the new door icon in the upper left corner of the Sketchlist screen. When the form opens, enter the name of the door. If there is more than one assembly, use the Insert into Text window by pulling it down and selecting the proper assembly. At this point, we will use the calculator in the Enter Door Information window to set up the proper sizes. An easy way to do this is to look at the spreadsheet for reference points. In this case, use the middle rail top edge and the top rail bottom edge for the values of the bottom and top of the door. Then click the green button labeled Height. Use the right edge of the left rail and the left edge of the right rail and click the green button Width. Finally, enter 3/4 for the depth of the door and click the value green button Right. Go through this a few times to see how the rails and stiles are useful for setting the boundaries of the door. After a while, it will become second nature. In the spreadsheet, hover the cursor over the cell holding the door's width value. When the small text box appears, type a star or asterisk 0.5 to divide 32 into 2, resulting in a door width of 16 inches wide. To add a new board to the door, click the new board icon at the upper left of the screen. These steps for inserting a board are the same as for all objects in the sketch list. When the form opens, give the board a name. Use the pull-down list of possible places to insert the door panel. In this case, select the option with the door. Select the material and enter the dimensions of the board. The board size is the same as the door container. Reference the spreadsheet for the height of 26 1/4 and width of 16 for the board. 2 rules apply to the board size. The board must fit onto the specified material and also fit into the door container. Next, check the dimension that is the thickness, in this case 3/4 of an inch. Next, check the dimension of the grain direction. Then click Add Board. Select the door and click on the Clone and Mirror button. A copy of the door is created and placed correctly to the right of the original door. Now, there are 2 boards 16 inches wide. Adding doors to your Sketchlist project follows the same steps as adding anything else in Sketchlist. These are Insert, Size, and Locate. Creating boards involves more than inserting containers does because boards require adding the material's thickness and grain direction. You can easily create a multi-board door by inserting, locating, and sizing the boards as required. You can also save a door into your library for reuse in other projects. Thank you for reviewing the video on making doors. For more information, to buy or try Sketchlist 3D, please visit www.sketchlist.com.